Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? So let me update you on my journey right now. Honestly, I'm in that stage in life where I don't know what direction I should go. For example, right now, I ain't got no reliable work. None. Am I struggling? Like broke? Nah. Can I be though? Yeah. So I've been driving, and to be honest, doing DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart. It's not working out, man. It's really inconsistent. And I need to make at least $500 a week to survive. And right now, because I'm driving in my small town, I'm only making about $300 a week. Something, not enough. So I might go to another town to drive to see if it's better. Make at least $100. Second option is go get a regular job. I'm throwing out some applications, talking to some people, but do I really want to do that? That once my business takes off, and it will take off, it's just a matter of when. You know, this whole fitness influencer, affiliate marketing, ad revenue, sponsorships, that's gonna come with time. But right now is what I gotta figure out. Third option, should I go back to social media management? The reason I quit was, first of all, my small town isn't big enough to do it full time. So it's still gonna be a side hustle, and I'm still gonna have to do something else on the side. I could do social media management and drive. I could do social media management and get a part-time job. But social media management, even though if I do it part-time as a side hustle, it's a full-time job because there's a lot of uncounted hours. For example, I'm gonna drive an hour to a client. I'm gonna record for 3 hours. An hour back, that's already 5 hours. Come back. And it takes me about an hour and a half to edit 3 videos. So, you do that for $150? You might be saying, raise more. In LA, I was charging $250, which made it worth it. Here, let me tell you, I've been doing the social media management for 5 years. You don't think if I could have grown it here for people to pay at $250, I would have done it? I'm looking for another side hustle to add to my driving because I love the free time. With the free time, I go to a gym, I meal prep, I'm making progress, I'm losing weight. It gives me, like right now, look at this. I'm just posting my first video on Amazon influencers to see how it goes because I got this free time, but I gotta pay my bills. So, just giving you a glimpse of starting all over again, pretty much from zero, just so you could see that, hey, when you're starting something, it's not easy, it's not consistent, low-key, I'm kind of stressing. What can I do? It's to keep moving forward. And you know what? Right now, the route I'm planning, I got a few $100s saved. I'm driving. I'm gonna go all into the fitness influencer. I'm gonna do driving as much as possible to be able to pay my bills. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit, to be honest. And it might bite me in the butt. Things have bit me in the butt before. So I know if this doesn't work out, I have to figure something else out. That's why I'm still keeping the lanes open for a job, for the social media management. Like if the driving doesn't take off and I'm struggling, who needs videos for $100? Yo, McDonald's, you hiring? I don't want to do it. I'll do it. I'll do it if I have to. I'll keep you guys updated.